Welcome to the Battle of the Bokeh. Welcome to the Battle of the Bokeh. Guys, welcome back. I don't know how to say it. I don't know if it's Bokeh, Bokeh. I'm not a professional videographer yet. I don't really know how to say it, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Today's bokeh battle is between the Sony a6500 APS C sensor and the Sony a7III full frame sensor. So first, we're gonna do a little test to see if you can tell the difference between the APS C and the full frame. I'm gonna show you a few clips. So get out a piece of paper and a pen. I'll wait for you. You ready? Awesome. So label it 1 through 5. There's gonna be 5 clips. And right next to each clip, you can write if you think it's a full frame or if it's the APS C. Let's check them out. All right, so how'd you do? It goes full frame, APS C, APS C, full frame, 100%, 80%, 60%, 40%, 20%. It's okay if you didn't do very good. I probably wouldn't have done very good. All right, so now we'll just go through a few more clips and each clip will be labeled so you'll be able to tell if it's an APS C or a full frame. So let's check them out real quick. All right, so now we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison or top-bottom comparison, so you'll be able to kind of visually see both of them. Comment below if you notice anything different. I know that the shots weren't perfect. We try to do our best recreating each shot with the Sony a7III and with the Sony a6500, but let's check it out anyways. All right guys, I honestly just couldn't really tell the difference. While I was shooting this to try to get the same frame shot that my brother got with the Sony a7 III full frame camera, I definitely had to back up just a little bit because of the longer focal range equivalent with my crop sensor. But going through the footage, I just really couldn't tell a difference. Maybe you could. I know that there are articles out there talking about the difference that a crop sensor has on bokeh. So you can definitely check those out and learn a little bit more about it. So after doing this video and editing this video and looking through the footage, I just have noticed that the key to get good bokeh is trying to get a lens that has a fast aperture around the 2.0 range or below. And whether you're on a crop sensor or a full frame sensor, you'll be able to get nice bokeh in the background. So to wrap it up, who is the winner to this bokeh battle? Well, I think it's the Sony 85mm 1.8 lens. This lens is just a great deal, a great bang for the buck. So if you have the money and you're looking for a great lens to help with your portrait photography, or if you want a lens to help with awesome B-roll, a lens that can help separate your subject from the background and kind of have a more intimate and personal feel, the 85mm Sony 1.8 lens is definitely a go-to lens. So the 85mm 1.8 lens is the bokeh winner. Thank you, Sony.